If you are involved in a collision and you do not stop, you could be convicted of A. Wreck driving, B. Hit and run, C. Vehicular manslaughter. Answer B. Hit and run. When driving in a roundabout, you should A. Stop for pedestrians in crosswalks, B. Yield to all traffic entering the roundabout, C. Enter the roundabout without stopping. Answer A. Stop for pedestrians in crosswalks. You are driving in the far right lane of a multi-lane freeway. A line of 5 cars is merging into your lane ahead from an on-ramp. You A. Must maintain your speed and position. B. Should make room for the merging vehicles if possible. C. Have the right-of-way and should insist on it. Answer B. Should make room for the merging vehicles if possible. When driving under snowy or icy conditions, A. It is safe to use cruise control. B. You should maintain the normal following distance. C. You should reduce your speed and increase following distance. Answer C. You should reduce your speed and increase following distance. You are required to notify the DMV within 5 days if you A. Fail a smog test, B. Sell or transfer your vehicle, C. Get a new prescription for glasses or contacts. Answer B. Sell or transfer your vehicle. You are approaching an intersection with a flashing yellow light. You should A. Slow down and cross the intersection carefully, B. Stop before entering the intersection, C. Maintain your speed but be prepared to stop. Answer A. Slow down and cross the intersection carefully. If you are driving in the far left lane of a freeway and you see orange construction signs and cones on the left side, you should A. Maintain your speed and stay in your lane, B. Slow down and be prepared to stop, C. Merge to the right and slow down. Answer C. Merge to the right and slow down. If you are driving and a tire suddenly goes flat, you should A. Rapidly apply the brakes, B. Hold the steering wheel tightly and keep the vehicle straight, C. Turn quickly off the road. Answer B. Hold the steering wheel tightly and keep the vehicle straight. You should increase your following distance. A. When following a motorcycle, B. When driving in adverse weather conditions, C. Both of the above. Answer C. Both of the above. When making a left turn at an intersection, you should A. Yield to oncoming traffic and pedestrians, B. Always use the far left lane, C. Not signal if there are no cars around. Answer A. Yield to oncoming traffic and pedestrians. You should dim your headlights for oncoming vehicles or when you are within 300 feet of a vehicle. A. You are approaching from behind, B. You have already passed, C. That has passed you. Answer A. You are approaching from behind. A safety zone is specially marked for passengers to get on or off buses or trolleys. You may not drive through a safety zone. A. At any time for any reason, B. Only when a bus is present, C. Only when pedestrians are present. Answer A. At any time for any reason. You must yield the right-of-way to an emergency vehicle by A. Driving near the right edge of the road and stopping, B. Moving into the right lane and driving slowly until it has passed, C. Stopping immediately even if you are within an intersection. Answer A. Driving near the right edge of the road and stopping. You are driving on a freeway posted for 65 miles per hour. Most of the other vehicles are driving 70 miles per hour or faster. You may legally drive A. 70 miles per hour or faster to keep up with the speed of traffic. B. Between 65 miles per hour and 70 miles per hour. C. No faster than 65 miles per hour. Answer: C. No faster than 65 miles per hour. If you are involved in a traffic collision, you are required to complete and submit a written report, SR1, to the DMV. A. Only if you are at fault. B. If there is property damage or any injuries. C. Only if you are injured. Answer: B. If there is property damage or any injuries. You may drive in a bike lane. A. If you drive slower than 15 miles per hour. B. No more than 200 feet before making a right turn. C. Whenever bicyclists are not present. Answer: B. No more than 200 feet before making a right turn. When parking downhill, you should turn your front wheels. A. Toward the curb. B. Away from the curb. C. Parallel to the curb. Answer: A. Toward the curb. When driving in fog, you should use your A. High beams. B. Low beams. C. Parking lights. Answer: B. Low beams. When driving at night on a dimly lit street, you should A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area lighted by your headlights. B. Turn on your high beam headlights to better see the vehicles ahead of you. C. Keep the instrument panel lights bright to be more visible to other drivers. Answer: A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area lighted by your headlights. If you are involved in a minor collision with a parked vehicle and you cannot find the owner, you must A. Leave a note on the vehicle. B. Wait for the owner to return. C. Call a tow truck. Answer: A. Leave a note on the vehicle. You should use your horn. A. To alert another driver who might turn in front of you. B. Whenever it is legal and you think it could prevent a collision. C. Whenever you are angry with another driver. Answer: B. Whenever it is legal and you think it could prevent a collision. A flashing yellow light at an intersection means you should A. Slow down and be alert at the upcoming intersection. B. Come to a complete stop as soon as possible. C. Stop and proceed only when it is safe. Answer: A. Slow down and be alert at the upcoming intersection. A pedestrian starts to cross the street after the don't walk signal begins to flash. The pedestrian is in the middle of the street when your signal light changes to green. You should A. Proceed if you have the right of way. B. Proceed if the pedestrian is not in your lane. C. Wait until the pedestrian crosses the street. Answer: C. Wait until the pedestrian crosses the street. You drive defensively when you A. Always put one car length between you and the car ahead. B. Look only at the car in front of you while driving. C. Keep your eyes moving to look for possible hazards. Answer: C. Keep your eyes moving to look for possible hazards. You may legally park your car. A. At a corner in an intersection. B. In a bicycle lane if there is no sign forbidding it. C. In front of a private driveway. Answer: B. In a bicycle lane if there is no sign forbidding it. You must notify the DMV within 5 days if you A. Sell or transfer your vehicle. B. Fail a smog test for your vehicle. C. Get a new prescription for lenses or contacts. Answer: A. Sell or transfer your vehicle. California's basic speed law says you must A. Never drive faster than is safe for current conditions. B. Always drive at the posted speed limit. C. Keep your speed close to that of other traffic. Answer A. Never drive faster than is safe for current conditions. You may cross double yellow lines to pass another vehicle if the A. Yellow line next to your side of the road is broken. B. Yellow line next to the other side of the road is broken. C. Lines are double solid yellow. Answer A. Yellow line next to your side of the road is broken. If you drive faster than other vehicles on a road with one lane in each direction and continually pass the other cars, you will A. Help traffic move faster. B. Increase your chances of an accident. C. Get you to your destination faster. Answer B. Increase your chances of an accident. You may legally block an intersection. A. When you entered the intersection on the green light. B. During rush hour traffic. C. Under no circumstances. Answer C. Under no circumstances.